we just launched our leadership development program. So it's a run, jump, and throw leadership development program we'll be doing at community centers. And we just start working with the Edna Martin Christian Center in the Brightwood community. And the focus there is taking some of the practices that we do here from mental health, from physical health and emotional health, and take that to different communities around Indianapolis and teach those young people about the importance of having a strong body and a strong mind.